Hey, today I'm going to give you a tip about Google Classroom. In there, you can ask a question. And the question can be something that's used for an exit ticket, a quick check for understanding, giving feedback about something, and receiving feedback from the students. There's a couple of settings that you need to make sure you have when you are doing this. One of them is click on the settings here, then scroll down under General, and next to Stream, where it says Students can post and comment, you're going to change that to Only Teachers can post and comment. That means in the stream, whatever you say to your students is not going to show up in the live stream if you want it to be a private comment. And then you click Save. Then we go into our classwork where we create quizzes or assignments, and we're going to click on Create and then go down to Question. You have some different options in this one, but the other setting that you need to make sure that you have checked off is students can reply to each other. We don't want that to be happening during this time. We want to be able to just have a private feedback time with our students if we need to. So up here we have either short answer or multiple choice. And today we're going to put in just a short answer question. Give me an example of a prime number and tell me what makes it prime. If there's additional information that you need to give to the students, then you would type it in here. If you need to add any files for the students to see or a YouTube video, then you would click Add, and then you also have Create, in which you can create your Google Docs, slides, sheets, etc. So now we're going to look over here, and you would do the same thing you do in your assignments. Which classes, which students, how many points, does it have a due date, do you want to place it into a topic? And then up here, of course, you would just click Ask, and it just will automatically show up in their assignments or their stream. You can also schedule this to start at any point, whether it's at the beginning of class or at the end of class. You can schedule it there, or you can save as draft. So once you have done this and you click Ask, it will show up in the stream. Then the students would be able to answer the questions. And if they have a comment they need to make to you, then they would be able to go in and make that comment. Once they have answered the questions, you will be able to go in and respond to their answers. So if I go in here to one that was already done, and I click on View Question, or I can click on the ones that are turned in, whichever way you want to do it. And if I click on the student's name, it will pop open with what they turned in as their answer. Down here, you can add the private comment. And then you would send it to them. After you have sent that, they also have the option of replying to you. So if you had a question about their answer, you can ask them about it, or you can give them a link to where they can go and find more information about the subject if they didn't do well with that question. So this is another way of giving the students feedback about what they are doing in the class. I hope this little tip helps you today.